today's video, I'm going to show you how to create callout boxes in Obsidian. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Callout boxes are a fantastic way to draw attention to important information within your notes, whether it's a tip, a warning, a reminder, or just a special note. First, you'll want to open up Obsidian. Then, navigate to the vault where you plan to use these callouts. Once your vault is open up an existing note or create a new one to practice with. After that, simply click inside the note editor and place your cursor on a new line where you want your callout box to begin. To start creating a callout, type note on that new line and press enter. This is the basic structure for a standard note callout. Now, you can add your content directly below that line. This is where you'll type the information you want to highlight, and anything you type here will be contained within the callout box. If your content spans multiple lines, just remember to start each new line with. This ensures that all your text stays neatly within the callout. Once you've added your content, switch over to Reading View or Preview mode to see how your callout looks. This will help you verify that it's displayed correctly and looks as intended. Now, let's explore some different types of callouts. Instead of note, you can replace note with other keywords. Try replacing note with tip pub and then add a useful recommendation below it. You can also create a warning callout by typing that in and then entering information that requires extra attention. For helpful reference material, use @info. You can also give your callouts a more descriptive heading. To do this, simply add your custom title after the callout type, like Note Important Reminders. This makes it even clearer what the callout is about at a glance. Callouts are also incredibly useful for organizing longer notes. You can insert them between sections to visually separate important content, or place them directly under section headings to improve overall readability. Consider adding callouts to your templates, such as for meetings or projects, so you can easily reuse them across multiple notes. After adding your callout, take a moment to review the formatting, checking spacing and layout, and make any adjustments needed. As you continue editing your note, ensure the callout remains properly formatted. Finally, make it a habit to use callouts consistently throughout your vault. By highlighting key information, you'll create a much more organized and efficient note-taking system. Experiment with the different styles and types to discover which ones best fit your personal workflow, and apply them to your future notes for reminders, warnings, summaries, and tips, making important information easy to find.